Today I'll be showing you how to make paper sugarcane. You can also use this for your pongal decorations. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. In the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.